Hey, Dr. Baird here. Today we're talking about biphasic stretching for our adductor muscle group, more commonly referred to as your groin muscle. So this is how we're going to mobilize and stretch that muscle group. So to get into position, we're going to start on one knee and we're going to bring our right foot out. It's going to be flat on the mat here. And what we're going to do, we're going to slowly ease into the position by bringing our hips back towards our heel. We're going to go about 2 seconds down, 2 inches, 1 inch back up, 2 inches back down. So we're going to spend the first 30 seconds really just getting into the position until we're at that end range. And then from there, we're just going to hold that position for 30 seconds. You want to keep your back straight through this whole thing here. And then you're going to switch sides. There you have it. That's the biphasic stretching for your adductor/groin muscle.